Hey guys, I'm going to start another go at this thing. So while I was away, I did some changes, some minor changes actually. I changed the inline skates for old school skates. Also, I was thinking about something, and I should add some scripts here that would change some stuff. Let me make this audio a little less high. So first off, what we need is we need to fix the groove meter because it's not working as I want. And also I want to add another script that's going to call floor randomizer. What this is going to do something really simple. It's going to make this dot transform dot local number angles equals new vector 3 something 0 0, and here does something. It's going to be random dot rotation. No, sorry. Random dot range, and it's going to go from 0 to 360. And actually, I'm going to make this from 0 to 4. I'm going to multiply that by 90. And I think you guys got what I'm saying. Basically, what I'm doing this is I'm going around and saying, okay, turn 90 degrees on the actually, yeah. Once again, I did it wrong. We need it to be on the y-axis. So there you go. This is going to make all the blocks rotate randomly because the way they're done, you can see that like they are made to fit every side, but every side has a little variation. So we want that to be used. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here on the models part. We have map, and here we're going to add floor randomizer and apply, and here everything is going to have it. So and when we play, stuff's getting rotated. See? Random numbers. Mostly all of them are 0. That's interesting. Well, another thing, you guys should have noticed how the camera is too slow, so let's fix that. And first, let me collapse all of these that opened, because this is looking really bad. Save a little, then go. Let's go. Camera. 0.5 might be too little for this game, so like let's put 0.8 and let's test it. Like it's, yeah, it can still go out of. Let's put 0.9. That's like as far as it can go, in my opinion. Maybe we're moving too fast. That might be it too, but I don't want to move slower than this. Also, I don't want this to be like 1. There again, maybe the problem is we're using timed out of time here on the follow object, and maybe if we don't, this might be a little better. Let's make this stuff 5 again. Sorry. That I'm impressed that a chat software could actually make my camera go a little my FPS drop a little. So okay, here we are. It's following quite well, if you ask me, but now it's too fast. So what about 0.3? It doesn't feel like it's going that fast, right? What about 0.1? Like the camera is still, it's still going like really elastic. Okay, yeah, you can see here how it goes. It's like a little elastic, but it's still working pretty well. So I guess this is the number we want, 0.1, which is really not a lot, but well, it works. So we're not going to make it not work. Okay, now we're going to add another thing. First, let me save this as a prefab. The UI, there you go. Now we're going to start adding here text that's going to be or score. So we have here the groove test, obviously. Actually, I should just copy this. Let me do this. There you go. Text. I'm going to call this score. And I'm going to change this to score. And we're going to make this like this. Now we make this a 0 and a 0. So you can already see how bad this is. So let's make this 60, 50, 40, minus 40, 30, sorry. There you go. This is what we want. But the size of it is not great, right? Let's go back to UI. You guys are gonna see this. Like, it doesn't actually have any width to it. So why not make this larger? Yeah, like this. This should be enough. And then we make like this. There you go. Now I can go back to the scene because we don't want to keep looking at the UI. UI is huge in Unity. I don't know why it looks so strange, but whatever. Now we have this. Let's save it to the prefab because that's important. And now let's create a script that's going to be score. And here, yeah, load all. Save. We're going to make a public int score. And we're going to refer to a public groove meter, and on update we're going to make, actually I want to do this, sorry guys, UI public checks out output. So now start. We don't need it. So what we're going to make is output.text equals score equals actually score plus score. And every time we hit something, we're going to call this function add score. And what it's going to do, it's going to get float gmeter. Actually, we're going to take this out. Let's not use this here. It's going to take this float from the gmeter, and what can we do here? And score equals score plus. Let's make a public float starval starval multiply gmeter. And of course we need to do this as an int. I think float has a method like toInt. Let's make this like that. Then let's make this floor toInt. There we go. Okay. Let's say right score starts as 0. So when we play, why? Okay. See, this is a case of I'm too dumb to notice what I'm doing. So score. Let's put this here. Output is going to be score. Start value. Start? No, not start. We want start value, because that's what we're referring to. We're not talking about like the value that it will begin with. We're talking about the value of each star, and I did it like that because I wanted like stuff to be able to be modified easily if I saw the need. Yeah, score 0, and here we have our groove meter working. So the problem with the groove meter is after a while of not moving, the groove meter is going to stabilize in the middle, and we don't want that. So what I'm going to do is if count bigger or equal than 100, we're going to make count equals 0. Actually, count equals 1, and sum equals sum divided by 100. Actually, let's do this, and then this way we're always going to have an average that makes a little sense. So let's see how this works. So there he is. Okay, whatever. Start moving. We stop moving. We start moving. Stop moving. Okay. Here's a problem. So it's skyrocketing to the top or to the bottom. So here, let's not call this score. Let's call this groove. Right? It's better this way. And this is making sure we're having a percentage here, like this, like divided by 10f, because this number is going to be around 10. Like maximum is 10, so this gives a number between 0 and 1. That's what it does. So we're going to say that sum is equals to sum divided by count. So basically we're saying this is groove. Then we're telling it count now is 0. So let's make this 0 and see if it fixes. So yeah, I like this. This is okay. It goes down real fast. It goes up really fast. I don't. Maybe 100 was too drastical. Let's make 1,000. See, start at 0. We move, and then come on. It's not possible. We don't have 1,000 frames. There you go. We need to keep moving for a really long time, so we have maximum groove. This is cool. I like this. See? Our groove, there we are. So now, our score, which is on the player, we're going to activate this when we heat something. So void on collision enter collision call, and if call game object name equals, and I forgot to open and close parenthesis. There you go. This is equals star. Then that means we add a point. So we do add score. This dot get component groove meter dot score. No. How are we calling this? Groove. Groove. There you go. Now I have our score adder. Also, we need to destroy the star. So let's say call destroy call dot game object. Is this enough? Maybe. Let's see. Here we have our groove really down, and I'm going to do this. I did destroy it, and star value was 2. Let's make this 1 and see. Let's make this 100 and see how it goes. Like testing absurd values is always the best. Now let's try to get the groove going. Okay, 459 with the groove in the middle. What about really no groove? 1, 2, 2. Yeah, if you don't move at all, you get slower values. Of course, 10 is too 100 is too much. 10 might be enough, because that means maximum you can get is 800, which means you didn't stop moving for a single moment before picking the star, which is something that I like. I particularly like this. So yeah, we now have something kind of playable, perhaps. So what we should do is we should start. Let's create a folder for this prefabs. I don't want to have them in the models folders anymore. So map and player both move to prefabs. Then we go here, load the star, and UI we apply because we need that to be new. Apply here too, and there we go. We have everything we need. So this is our basic game. Basically, you're trying to get high scores. And of course, we still need to do one more thing. We still need to add the audio. But honestly, the audio is something that's going to take a while. And I don't think I should go around that. I don't think I should go around that like this without thinking first. So let's try working something else, right? First, I think we should change this. I don't like this color, but I guess we could. How about green? Green will look kind of good, right? Okay, colors from 1917. People liked a lot about orange. That's something that I kind of think it was the thing. Like, right, orange. Orange was big, but that makes all the text look awful. So we don't want that. You also don't want this. Like, black text is so ugly. What if we have the text to be orange? Follow me on this. We have text to be orange, right? The orange looks good. And then we add blue. No, oh my god, this looks so ugly. I think I'm going for this. You can clearly see that there's a difference there, but I should do this color. This color looks interesting. Purple. Purple is cool, right? Kids. There you go. Purple and white. And then we have this green bar over there that's just chill. So let's see. Levels. Remember all those levels we were working on? Guess what we're throwing away? Yeah, unfortunately, all that hard work was kind of not good enough. Was kind of not. It's definitely not worth like spending our time on that, but whatever. So yeah, we're going to delete this folders. We're going to create this new folder called extensions, and here we're going to start adding pieces. That's going to like be they're going to be added on top of our scene. They're basically going to be big prefabs. Models are here, prefabs are here. Let's see, scenes. This is test scene, right? Should we work on a menu? I don't think we should. Menus are kind of, I don't know. I don't like menus. It's okay. I kind of want to delete this because it's not serving any purpose. So there we go. This. Well, we might see that that guy is not awesome if I'm using his assets. So guys, I'm going to switch the focus of the stream during like the next hours. I am going to go back to my usual thing, which is League. So okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this stream right now, so I can change the metadata and whatever. And I promise I will be back so we can finish this tomorrow. Tomorrow I can tell you for sure that I'm going to be online until 3 p.m. So I'll probably go up like from 12 o'clock to 3 p.m. I'll do stuff during that time, and that should give us a good time. I'm thinking of tomorrow definitely doing menus, and I'm going to look into audio so we can know what to do tomorrow. We'll not be completely lost regards in that regard. Okay, so thank you for watching. all of this. Really appreciate it. I'm going to update everything to GitHub, and then I'll switch the stream. Thank you guys.